Ever feel like your finances are trapped in a spreadsheet labyrinth? You're not alone. Juggling invoices, tracking expenses, and keeping up with taxes can be a nightmare for any small business owner. That's where accounting software like QuickBooks comes in. It promises to streamline your finances, automate tasks, and free you up to focus on what matters, growing your business. But here's the rub. QuickBooks can be expensive, especially for startups or solopreneurs on a tight budget. So, the question becomes, are there effective alternatives to QuickBooks that won't break the bank? Absolutely. In today's video, we'll delve into the world of free accounting software, exploring some fantastic options that offer features similar to QuickBooks without the hefty price tag. Why consider free accounting software? Let's face it, every penny counts when you're starting a business. Free accounting software can be a game changer, offering essential features like tracking income and expenses, categorize your transactions, create invoices, and generate reports to understand your financial health. Automating tasks. Say goodbye to manual data entry. Free software often automates tasks like bank reconciliations and expense categorization, saving you precious time. Collaboration. Work with your accountant or team members on your finances securely and efficiently. While free software might not offer all the bells and whistles of premium options, it can be a fantastic starting point for many small businesses. Top free QuickBooks alternatives. Now, let's dive into some of the best free accounting software options available. Number 1. Wave Accounting. Wave is a popular choice for freelancers and solopreneurs. It offers free invoicing and billing. Create and send professional invoices, track payments, and set up automatic reminders. Expense tracking. Snap photos of receipts and categorize expenses on the go with their mobile app. Bank reconciliation. Connect your bank accounts for automated transactions and easy reconciliation. Limited reporting. Generate basic financial reports to understand your business's financial health. Wave's user-friendly interface and focus on core features make it ideal for those starting out. However, it might lack the advanced reporting and inventory management needed by larger businesses. Number 2. Zoho Books. Zoho Books offers a robust free plan with features like unlimited invoicing and estimates, create and send invoices, accept online payments, and track overdue payments. Inventory management. Track inventory levels, receive low stock alerts, and manage purchase orders, limited in free plan. Multi-currency support. Manage finances in multiple currencies, perfect for businesses with international operations, limited in free plan. Detailed reports. Generate comprehensive financial reports, including profit and loss statements and balance sheets. Zoho Books is a powerful option for businesses that need more than just basic accounting features. The free plan offers a good range of functionalities, but some features like advanced inventory management require upgrading. Number 3. FreeBooks. FreshBooks is another popular choice known for its simple invoicing. Create beautiful and customizable invoices in seconds. Automatic expense categorization. Upload receipts and watch FreshBooks automatically categorize expenses. Time tracking. Track your time and convert it into invoices for easy billing, limited in free plan. Project management. Manage projects and track expenses associated with them, limited in free plan. FreshBooks is a user-friendly and visually appealing option for freelancers and small service-based businesses. The free plan offers basic features, but advanced functionalities like time tracking and project management require paid plans. Number 4. GNU Cash. For those comfortable with a bit more technicality, GNU Cash is an open-source, desktop-based accounting software. It offers double-entry accounting. GNU Cash uses a double-entry accounting system, ideal for users who want a detailed understanding of their finances. Customizable reports. Generate a wide variety of reports to analyze your financial performance. Inventory management. Track inventory levels and manage purchases. Advanced features. GNU Cash offers a vast array of features for free, but it comes with a steeper learning curve compared to cloud-based options. Choosing the right free accounting software. The best free accounting software for you will depend on your specific business needs. Consider factors like business size and type. Freelancers might prioritize invoicing, while product-based businesses might need inventory management. Features needed. Identify the essential features you need, like invoicing, expense tracking, or reporting. Ease of use. Consider your comfort level with technology and choose software with a user-friendly interface. Don't let the cost of accounting software hold you back from taking control of your finances. With a variety of fantastic free options available, there's no reason why any small business owner should feel lost in a sea of numbers. Research the different options we've discussed, consider your specific needs, and take advantage of the free trials many offer to find the perfect fit for your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.